This is the East Idaho weather hazard briefing for Wednesday, February the 5th. Key points to go over is we have a cold front arriving today. Gusts to 50 miles per hour are likely, especially in the Snake Plain. We are expecting widespread rain and snow to end this morning and just a few showers around for the afternoon hours. We are expecting dry weather, mainly dry weather, for Thursday before another storm arrives Friday, and that will bring accumulating snow for the mountains and highlands, and possible some snow accumulations also for the Snake River Plain. And then we're looking at colder weather in behind that system that arrives for the weekend. So looking at our satellite image this morning, you see a low pressure system that's moving through the Great Basin area. That's our storm that's bringing cold front today and the strong winds. Weather risk outlook, mainly minor impacts, mainly from the winds today. I'm a little bit concerned about the potential for blowing and drifting snow in areas that have significant snow on the ground. So just be advised that there could be some trouble issues, especially out in the Teton Valley, maybe up by Allen Park and such. And then another potential for minor impacts Friday could be a little bit more significant if the track of the low goes a little bit further south. Some uncertainty there. If that track goes a little bit further south on Friday, we could actually have some more significant impacts across southeast Idaho. So looking at our high temperature forecast for today, this will be our last warm day with highs generally in the 40s across the lower valleys, 30s in the mountains and highlands. Snow totals today generally on the lighter side, 1 to 3 inches common most places. As you start getting into the ridges up on the up in the eastern highlands, you start seeing some heavier amounts up to about 6 inches there. Peak wind gusts today, generally in the 40s to around 50 miles per hour, can be found across the region today. Snow totals tonight, looking pretty dry across most area, although Stanley could pick up an inch or two very, very late tonight as they see some moisture ahead of the next storm system. Our low temperatures as we go into Thursday morning everywhere should be well below zero. And then our high temperatures on Thursday, generally in the 30s to low 40s across the region. Snow totals today, we will have a little bit of light moisture in advance of that next system. We'll produce some very light snow accumulation on Thursday, mainly across the mountains and highlands. Snow totals Thursday night, we start seeing the brunt of that next storm moving into the region, and see generally 2 to 4 inches up in the central mountains, maybe up towards about 6 up on the summits of the central mountains, and then out in the eastern highlands, 1 to 3 inches possible. And that would be very late Thursday night as well, so most likely after midnight. As we go into low temperatures for Friday morning, once again below freezing everywhere across the region. High temperatures on Friday, still rather mild with temperatures in the upper 30s to low 40s across most of the area. And then snow totals for Friday, generally looking at, once again, an additional 2 to 4 inches up across the central mountains Friday, and then potentially up to 6 inches on those ridge tops. 1 to 3 inches in the Snake Plain is certainly possible. We have a very quickly changing forecast, almost from model run to model run. So these amounts could change rather significantly just in a 12-hour period. So pay close attention to the forecast here and over the next day or so. Very dependent upon where the track of the low sits up. In the eastern highlands, generally looking at a lot of widespread 2 to 4 inch type snowfall amounts with up to 6 in the high country as well. Just to summarize, our cold front arrives today, gusty winds across the region, widespread rain and snow will taper off this morning. Another storm arrives for Friday, accumulating snow possible for the Snake Plain, mountains and highlands as well, and then colder temperatures for the weekend. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know. Thank you.